I hope everyone is doing well. So today I want to embark on a journey where I'm going to guide you on how to understand the government subsidy, which is first home finance. It used to be called flips. This is being facilitated by NHFC. So now if you earn between 3,501 to 22,000, you actually qualify for a government subsidy, which is going to help you buy or build your first home. So this is like amazing opportunity. I hope everyone enjoyed the journey. So I'm the representative of Touch and Tell, which is NHBRC accredited contractor. I'm not affiliated with First Home. I'm sharing the information which is public knowledge. If you go to nhfc.co.za, you will find the information that I'm sharing. So the scenario that we need to understand is many families in rural areas already have a land. Let's say now you have a land, but you are within the salary range that makes it impossible for you to build on your land. That's where the subsidy comes in, help you build on the land. Let's say now you want to buy a house and the house is 400,000 and somehow you can't afford it. Then the subsidy comes in and be like, okay, I'm giving you X amount of money, which you are going to put on top of the money you already have, which is gonna reduce the cost of the house, and now you're gonna pay less installment and you live happily after with your family. So this is a great opportunity. So now, what is a subsidy? Because this is very important. A subsidy is the money given by the government to help people afford something. Let's say now you want to buy an apple, and an apple costs 5 rand, and you only have 3 rand, meaning that you can't afford to buy an apple. Now your brother or your sister comes and like, okay, let me give you 2 rand so that you can afford 5 rand apple. When you combine your 2 rand plus 3 rand that you have, there is going to give you 5 rand, and now you afford an apple. So that's a subsidy. That 2 rand, you didn't loan it from your brother or your sister. They've given it to you so that you afford, so you don't have to pay it back. So in this case, when government gives you a subsidy, you are not going to pay it back, and it's not a loan. What does the subsidy do? It helps you reduce the cost of building or buying. So it's very important. So now we are on this section which addresses who qualifies for a subsidy. 1, you must be an SA citizen. Your age must be 18 and above. Have never owned a house before. Have never received an RDP, and you are earning 3,501 to 22,000. So how does this work? If you earn 3,501, you qualify up to 169,000 in subsidy. It's just an approximately, so we will go to the table on the other video and we explore it. So you can build on a rural land, family land, traditional authority land, or the one that gives you permission to occupy. The most important thing now is you must build with NHBRC accredited builder. That's where Touch Intel Engineering Solutions comes in. Don't mind the t-shirt. When they were printing, I don't know what happened, they made a mistake. It's Touch Intel. So we are NHBRC accredited contractor. We are the one that can help you build the house because we qualify. However, you are not limited. You can find any company as long as it is NHBRC accredited, they are having the home building manual, they understand how to build in South Africa, and the inspectors are gonna come and check if everything has been built according to the standard. So we do construction, residential construction, structural engineering, architectural design, plumbing, and electrical work. So if you need those services, please do give me a call, and then we're gonna come and help you out. So the documents that are needed when you are applying is your ID, bank statement, and payslip, PTO, and the builder details. When you are applying, you can ask me that what's your builder details, then I can give you the detail. The most important thing to remember, first home finance is not a free house, it is a subsidy. You don't pay the subsidy back. So this is a good news, and the approval, they're the one who facilitate everything. So touch and tell, we are helping the community to understand the process. Everything that we are sharing is a public knowledge. And if you want to get hold of us, our office address, we're at Unit G, just next to BP Garage. And here our compliance details. Vana vamkala ndikoliwa chipinga nda